Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I am going to be doing a homeware haul. Homeware haul. I'm going to be showing you guys things that I bought for my house. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, my name is deebabalola. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. So today's video I am going to be showing you guys a few of the things that I got from a website called rove.co.uk. so that's ROOV.co.uk. I recently discovered the website and I ordered a bunch of stuff from them, so I thought I'd just come on here and show you guys what I got. They have some really amazing things for really good prices. They have a lot of products from a company called Mason White, and they also stock Pucker and a few other brands on there. So I thought I'd just jump on here and show you guys the things that I ordered the first time I ordered from them. And there are a few more things on there that I've seen that I might order. So if I do order them, look out for a part 2 of this video. Let's jump straight into today's video. So what's the first thing I should show you? Okay. So this is like an unboxing as well, kind of. So the first item I got is this. So this is like a display that you can put anywhere in your house basically, and it looks like this. It has all the days of the week, all the months of the year, and obviously it has all the numbers on there as well for you to change. Oops. It looks like this. I thought it was really pretty. Now they do have this in grey as well, and I kind of wish I had picked up the grey one because I feel like it will go really nicely with the theme of my house when I go back to Abuja. And it says home on here, so it's like a wood effect. Initially I was going to put this in the living room, but rather than put this in the living room, I am thinking of putting it in the kitchen now because of the wood effect that it has. I feel like it will go better in my kitchen. But I really like this. I like this rustic effect of the wood. So the next thing I got were these cotton rope basket. I'm just going to open it for you guys really quickly. Oh, this is the first time I'm actually taking it out. I hope you guys can see this. And it's just 2 cotton rope baskets. It's like a cream and a beige color, and I felt like this would look really nice to hold tissue paper in the bathroom, or just to hold things in the bathroom really. It's a set of 2. I think it's really good quality. It's also another Mason and White product. The next thing I got, I feel like I actually really like this. I really like this. Well, when my mom saw it, she was like, why do I have a calabash? African mothers. But I think it's really nice. Initially I thought it was gonna be bigger. One is bigger than the other. I thought they were the same size, but one is bigger than the other. And it's just these cute little bowls. It comes in a set of 2. This one is bigger than this one, and it's just nice wooden bowls that you can use to like serve food. I feel like they'll look really nice for taking pictures, and also for like just serving like sides on the table, that kind of thing. The quality, guys, is amazing, and I love it because it comes with, I need to unwrap this, guys. It comes with like 2 wooden spoons, also of the same size. These are the same size, and I think it's really cute. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good, and it will be really nice for serving food and for display in my kitchen. I think it looks really good. So for my kitchen, I really wanted to get wooden chopping blocks, and I was so excited when I saw these. And obviously with everything that I wanted to, I was ordering from the website, I had to consider like having to carry it to Nigeria. I was just gonna buy some when I got to Nigeria because I've seen a few from some vendors that I can order from in Nigeria, but when I saw this, I thought it would be really nice. It looks like really good quality as well. So it's this set of 3 chopping blocks. This is gonna obviously go in the kitchen because yeah, it's a kitchen item. So it's a set of 3 wooden chopping blocks, and I feel like it is really nice. I want a bigger round one. I want to get a bigger round one, and yeah, so this is it, a set of 3. I'll put it in front of my face for reference. So this is the smallest one, and then this one, and then this is the biggest one. Yeah, I can't wait to like go back to Abuja and start decorating my house again. I have so many ideas. I don't know where they're coming from, but yeah, I can't wait to go back. I've gotten a few home stuff, and I can't wait to like go back and see what they look like in my house. So yeah, so this is that. The next 2 items actually are in in conjunction. So this is another Mason White. A lot of the things that I got are from Mason White. I need to do a little research into them because I don't even know who they are. And it's a spice rack and it looks like this. I think it's really pretty. Now this on the website comes in black and in silver, but I really like the black one and it looks like this, and it's metal and it's really sturdy. It's really, really good quality, guys. But the price I paid for this, it's really good quality. Like, it looks really nice, really, really nice. And yeah, for the price I paid for this, I'm really impressed. So the reason I said this comes in conjunction with something else that I got, I can't believe I ordered this because it's quite heavy and it's fragile as well, and I'm praying and hoping that they don't break before I get to Nigeria, because yeah. So it's a set of 12 spice jars. Oops. And it looks like this. So it's a set of 12 in there. They're nice and small, nice and compact, and I will be putting my spices in here and then displaying them on here, because you know, yeah, I might put 4 on here and 4 on here. I think 4 would sit on here quite nicely. Let's have a look. 2, I think it's so pretty. 3, 4. I think you could probably get away with 5. Yeah, I think you can get, or even 6. No, maybe 5. There we go. So yeah, so this is why I said I bought them together, because I thought it would be really nice to display your spices on here. And the beautiful thing about this, guys, let me show you, is it comes with, I hope I can get it out. Okay, I got it. I got it. Let me just put these back. So yeah, so these are really, really nice just for displaying your spices in your kitchen. A lot of the things I got are for kitchen actually, but they have a bunch of other things for other rooms in your house as well. The cooktop jars come with labels and a pen, a white marker pen for you to write what your spices and stick it on the jars. I think that is like, I think that's so nice, so good. So you can just write really fancily on the stickers and stick it on the jar. And yeah, 24 stickers and 12 jars, which is quite nice, isn't it? So yeah, so that is everything I got, guys. Like I said, there are a bunch of other things on the website that that I think I'm gonna go get, because I'm all for good quality, inexpensive stuff. I'm a bargain hunter. I like to look for bargains, and I feel like all the items that I got at a bargain. Since I registered on the website, they're always sending me like discounts and free delivery. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to check out my channel, and I will speak to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.